When the temperatures sink, concerns over carbon monoxide poisoning rise, even more so when the furnace kicks on.
Working for you, Fox 4's Sean McDowell takes us to Platte County to learn how you can stay safe during these cold weather months.
Concerns over CO incidents in the home rise during the winter months since so many people are working to make their homes warm. Here in this Platte County shop, Glenn Simmons with Sleep Easy Chimney stays busy during these winter months, cleaning as many as 300 chimneys per month. The tools of Simmons' trade are used to clear chimneys and unclog rooftop vents and vent caps.
It's common.
Simmons sees concerns often, ones that could turn the average home with a chimney into a buildup of carbon monoxide. He says it can happen in homes with fireplaces or basement furnaces where owners don't maintain their home's chimneys.
You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't taste it. You start getting nauseated, you'll start getting dizzy, and you won't put two and two together generally because it can mess up your thinking ability.
On Monday morning, 4 people suffered carbon monoxide poisoning in a home in Kansas City's Old Northeast near Windsor Avenue and Gladstone Boulevard. Kansas City paramedics took them to an emergency room. On Tuesday, a spokesperson for the fire department didn't have any update on their condition. CO detectors are easy to purchase at hardware stores like Strasser's True Value on Southwest Boulevard.
I do think they tend to get overlooked.
Lucas Orozco has helped run the store for 17 years. He's surprised more people don't have these affordable detectors in their homes since they've proven to save lives.
I know every time the winter comes around, they start to talk about it more and more, and it's like, well, let's try to remember it throughout the year.
Orozco says there's even one gadget on his shelves that will detect both smoke and CO in your home. It'll cost about $60. Simmons says this is super serious since as many as 600 people die each year from carbon monoxide poisoning in their homes. Sean McDowell, Fox 4, working for you.